Hello and welcome to Life Amplified. Today's video is on the power of affirmations and how to use them. Affirmations are a powerful tool for self-improvement and can help us overcome negative thinking patterns and achieve our goals. In this video, we will discuss what affirmations are, how they work, and the best ways to use them to transform your life. So, what are affirmations? Affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves to create a new belief or mindset. They are used to replace negative thoughts and beliefs with positive ones, which can help us achieve our goals and improve our overall well-being. Affirmations can be used for a variety of purposes, including increasing self-esteem, reducing anxiety and stress, improving relationships, and achieving success in career or personal life. Now, how do affirmations work? Affirmations work by changing the way we think and feel about ourselves and the world around us. When we repeat positive affirmations, we are reprogramming our subconscious mind to think and feel positively, which can help us overcome negative beliefs and behaviors. This process is called neural rewiring, and it can take some time and consistency to achieve the desired results. So, how do you use affirmations? Now that we know what affirmations are and how they work, let's talk about the best ways to use them. Here are some tips for using affirmations effectively. 1. Be specific. When creating affirmations, be specific about what you want to achieve. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I am successful in my career." 2. Use the present tense. Use the present tense when creating affirmations to make them more powerful. Instead of saying, "I will be happy," say, "I am happy." 3. Use positive language. Use positive language when creating affirmations to focus on what you want to achieve, rather than what you don't want. Instead of saying, "I don't want to be stressed," say, "I am calm and relaxed." 4. Repeat daily. Repeat your affirmations daily, preferably in the morning and before bed. This will help you reinforce the positive beliefs and behaviors you want to develop. 5. Visualize. Visualize yourself achieving your goals as you repeat your affirmations. This can help you feel more motivated and confident in your affirmations. In conclusion, affirmations are a powerful tool for self-improvement and can help us achieve our goals and improve our overall well-being. By using affirmations consistently and effectively, we can reprogram our subconscious mind to think and feel positively, which can lead to significant changes in our lives. So, start using affirmations today and see the power of positive thinking for yourself. If you found this video helpful, be sure to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again in the next video.